Right, guys, we're going to take a look at this one. We just got this one in. It's the ThinkNode-M1 produced by Elecrow, and we're going to see what what's in the box. I'm not going to get into what Meshtastic is, or we're not going to do a project today. We're just going to see what's in the box because, yeah, that's something we should separate out into a different video. But let's get into it and check it out. All right, let's see what's in it. So, like I said before, Meshtastic is pretty cool. You can communications over hardware. You buy the hardware. You don't have to pay subscriptions. You don't have to do any of that. So we have a lot of drone projects that I'm going to try to use this for. But part of that is usability, and does it come in a nice package that is easy to handle and easy to use when you're out in the field and stuff like that. So let's check it out. User manual. And yeah, it's nice and clear. Outlines all the connectors. So that's the thing. So the actual functional part of this is on the inside. It's just a little board that you attach an antenna and stuff to. But that's not really good. You know, if you need to take this out in the field and handle it and stuff like that, you're going to want a case on it. And that's what we're here to look at today. So look at that. The antenna's nicely packaged. Let's take a look at the antenna. I'm very fond of antennas, as you know, because they allow you to do a lot of RF in interesting ways. So we've got, wow, so that's nice. This appears to be sealed. There's 2 washers in there. And let's see. So I have not, just for reference, I have not looked at any videos online or anything like that, as you can tell. So, you know, my experience is going to be your experience, maybe. Well, you guys will be more prepared. You're going to look this up on YouTube, I'm sure. It's a nice cable. Interesting that they chose to make that way. We'll differentiate it from every other cable. Wow, that is cool. I actually didn't know what to expect. I thought it was going to be just a 3D printed, same texture type of thing, but so that's e-paper display. Means that it'll maintain the display even if the battery goes out. So that's pretty cool. Comes with a nice screen protector. We'll take that off later when we're ready to use it. But let's check this out. So looks like that seals down onto there, and this is the inside seal. It's almost like the hose. It's almost like your hose seals from that you. All right, so let me see. If I do this, I might be able to get this on there without losing that washer. So I'm holding it like this so that the washer doesn't fall off like it did before. Let's see if that actually. Oh, look at that! It worked. Yes, I did impress myself. Thank you. So 950 megahertz, very cool. It's a low RA. Again, we're not going to get into all of that. Oh, and it's backlit. Okay, I did not read up on this at all. It is backlit. And guys, don't turn on your radios without putting the antenna on first. It can damage some radios. But look at that mess. So this is, yeah, I got the rotary switch. So nice. The dimmer's on there for the screen. I like it. So very cool. Another cool thing is, so there's a couple of mounting screws right here. So we'll be able to use that to mount this thing into our projects. So very nice. Again, we're gonna be doing some projects with these. Look for them on the channel. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. It's not too heavy. Let's check out. Let's see what the weight is on that. All right. Hey. Okay, here we go. It is 2.9 ounces. Let's see how many grams that is. 81 grams. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. All right, so that's the ThinkNode-M1. I like it. It's a very nice form factor. The hardware on the inside is going to be the same over all of these radios, basically. If you don't know what Meshtastic is, again, check it out. Meshtastic.org. It's a very cool architecture for communications. And yeah, as far as this is concerned, I would recommend this. It's very nice, clean, very nice clean case on there. And yeah, if you're just looking to experiment with the with Meshtastic itself and not do a lot of tinkering with the hardware, pick one of these up. Again, I appreciate the time you spend with me, and we'll see you in the next video.